Manufacturing never stops, so your facility solutions shouldn't either. From cleaning to PPE to supply chain agility, Veritiv is built for your environment. We're not just a supplier, we're a strategic partner in keeping your operations safe, clean, and efficient. With 121 distribution centers and 650 trucks, we're within 99% of our customers, delivering faster and for less. We help you reimagine clean with automation that's reduced labor and maintenance by 50% across 23 sites. Need control? Our digital commerce platform connects with Coupa, Ariba, and 28+ partners to optimize every order. Too many PPE SKUs? We simplify your inventory without sacrificing safety. Sustainability matters. With over 43,000 eco products and our EcoScore dashboard, we help you track real results. Our Lean certified advisors help save 2+ cleaning hours per day by removing hidden inefficiencies. With 68 in-house technical experts and a 51,000 item catalog, we're equipped to solve your toughest facility challenges. And with a vetted network of 3,500 suppliers and a 5-day service guarantee, we're built to deliver when others can't. It's time to expect more from your facility partner. Expect speed, expect strategy, expect results. Contact Veritiv to upgrade your facility strategy and move your operations forward.